As passengers tried to escape the stricken Costa Concordia, shocking exchanges have emerged between a frustrated Italian Coast Guard and a captain now accused of abandoning his ship. An astonished Coast Guard questions why he left his ship in the first place, while his passengers still languished on board.
Io non ho abbandonato nessuna nave con 100 persone, che la nave si è mandata di corsa e siamo stati catturati in acqua.
Regardless, the Coast Guard demands the captain returns to the ship to count the women and children still on board.
Lei vada a bordo, è un ordine, lei non deve fare altre valutazioni, lei ha dichiarato l'abbandono nave, adesso comando io, lei vada a bordo. È chiaro? Comandante. Non mi sente? Sto andando a bordo.
But amid the chaos, the captain, now facing charges of manslaughter and abandoning his duties, never returned from his lifeboat. He may find that hard to explain. Matthew Chance, CNN London.